Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've forgotten your Hubspot password or just want to reset it for security reasons, you're in the right place. In this quick but complete 2025 guide, I'll walk you through every single step, from visiting the Hubspot website to logging back in with your brand new password. Stick with me till the end so you don't miss any important tips to keep your account secure. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to Hubspot homepage. This is the official Hubspot website, so always start here to avoid any phishing or fake pages. On the top right corner of the homepage, you'll see the login button. Click it to go to the login screen. Now, instead of typing in your email and password, look just below the password field. There you'll find a link that says, "Forgot my password." Click that to start the reset process. Next, you'll be asked to enter the email address that's connected to your Hubspot account. Double-check your spelling. This is important because Hubspot will send the reset link to this exact email. After submitting your email, open your inbox and look for an email from Hubspot. It usually arrives within a few minutes. Don't forget to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it right away. Open the email and click on the reset link provided. This will take you to a secure page on Hubspot's website where you can create a new password. This step is crucial. Choose a password that's strong and unique. Mix uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. Avoid using anything easy to guess like birthdays or simple sequences. Type your new password again to confirm it, and then click Submit. Hubspot will process your request and show a confirmation that your password has been successfully updated. Finally, return to the Hubspot login page, enter your email and the brand new password you just created, and you're back in your account, safe and secure. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Hubspot password in just a few simple steps. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with anyone who might need it, and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.